After clearing away the mud and debris, he set about the most challenging task, transforming a forgotten ruin into a place that could truly be called home. Each room was cleaned and reorganized. The roof was patched to keep out the rain, carefully sealing the holes, while walls were reinforced and windows repaired. Notably, he completely dismantled and rebuilt the porch, which had been on the verge of collapse. But that was only the beginning. He took a black tarp and began reinforcing the badly damaged sections of the roof. He carefully covered the large holes, securing the corners of the tarp to create a temporary barrier. The task was far from easy, yet he knew that a single heavy downpour could undo all the work done inside the house. He installed a wood-burning stove and built a sink, a bed, and a small table himself. Crafted by hand from readily available materials, these simple furnishings were enough to turn the structure into a livable home.